Good morning, afternoon, or evening from wherever you're watching this from. My name is Caitlin. I'm a realtor with LPT Realty, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my brand new listings here in my neighborhood, again, of Middleton. I cannot wait to show you around. There are so many changes coming to Middleton right now with a bunch of commercial construction going on, which would include the new Publix grocery store, Chase Bank, the gas stations, small sliders, all which are going to be on like the outskirts of our immediate downtown area. Now downtown, we just had Zanzibar open. The Mexican restaurant is almost done. Sushi is almost done. Paisano's Pizza and Woodrow's Duck Pin Bowling. And honestly, and quite literally, so many other businesses are nearing completion. I think I actually need to do a whole video of all the things that are coming for downtown Middleton. But back to what we are doing today. This is going to be a showstopper, and I can't wait. So this is the Kickline floor plan in phase 3. We are just about to hit the market. This is 7969 Byers Street, and this is a big house with 4 bedrooms. I didn't know my numbers there. 3 full baths and 1 half bath. We have a soaring 2-story living room. This lanai is also 2-story. This house was stretched to add that golf cart garage. And then of course we have this water view on Lake Eleanor, which I believe is the largest pond in Middleton. We were just having a little bit of a debate about it, so I think that's accurate. So I'm not going to talk about it anymore. We're just going to go ahead and look around, but just wait until we can come back and take a peek at this view. You're going to love it. Y'all ready to see this bad boy? 7969 Byers Street. So we're just the second house in on the corner. And this road is kind of a dead end. There is a loop over it, so the only people that are going to be coming up and down this road are going to be residents. You're not on a main trafficked road. Of course, the big showstopper that we have is going to be the addition of this golf cart garage that is not standard on all of the Kickline models, which this is. Nice big covered front porch. We have seen some people that decide to go and screen this in. I like having it open. Makes it feel a little bit larger. Want to just touch base again with the addition of this golf cart garage. Look at how much driveway space that you have. If you're looking into Middleton, one of the, I guess we should say like top noted comments that we have is that we never have enough driveway space, but not only do you have the width on here, you also have the depth. So this is a pretty large garage or driveway. I would say you can fit like 6 cars here if you really wanted to. Alrighty. So as we come in, of course, we're going to see the stairs on the left or on the right hand side. I don't know my right from left. When we come down, I promise we will circle back to this. We have our primary suite. Down this nice hallway. Another peek is going to be in our massive laundry room. Hold on, we're going to come back to that because here is the meat and potatoes of this house. This is stunning. 2-story living room, floor to ceiling curtains on here, floor to ceiling windows, a view of Lake Eleanor, view fencing. We have some green space back there, so you get a little bit of everything when it's coming to the view. We pan over to the right-hand side. So this is kind of like an open concept with a tucked in feature. So our dining room and living room still have this great communication from the back side of the house. All this is along this back wall. But you have dedicated spaces. You can fit a huge table in here. So right now we have 4 seats on it, but this could easily be an 8-seater. I'm going to keep panning into kitchen. Another big chef's kitchen on here. Lots and lots of counter space. Plenty of room on the island. Nice feature. I don't know if you can really see it behind the chairs right now. Look, we do have tile on the island too. Very, very nice touches. And I know some of y'all may be wondering that all of these cabinets are going to be used for your pantry too, and that is not the case. So not only do we have a drop zone, but we have a pantry. This pantry does have the pocket door on it. What a view. So if you can just imagine entertaining, having your conversations here, watching the kids, doing homework, whatever you need to do, this is a beautiful layout. So as we come back up the hallway, on our left-hand side now is going to be this massive laundry room. I think this is just about the amount of cabinets that I have in my entire kitchen, just dedicated for this laundry room. I have to pause here for a second because I'm an absolute ding-dong and forgot to record this hall bath, and just look at the prints on here. This is how you make an absolute statement of a hall bath. All right, now back to our regularly scheduled tour. Going to come back up towards that front door, and remember we walked right past our primary suite. Look at how much space you have in here. The house right now feels like Pottery Barn. It is so well maintained. Yes, there is carpet in the bedrooms, but I will point out that this is a very upgraded carpet. It is so soft, it is so plush. This is not builder grade anything. I don't know if you can see how tall the door frames are too. Windows are taller, so this is a premier home as the Village's standards whenever they're putting their classifications in. Primary suite, 2 large vanities, awesome soaking tub. We don't see that a lot right now. Big, big tile shower. Private commode area. And in the back, we have another big walk-in closet, already built out. Saves you one less thing to do when you're moving in. So now, we're gonna do something that's rare in the Villages area and go upstairs. We're on the top landing, stairs right over there. So what we have is an additional 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and the bonus room. So as soon as we are starting this, on our right-hand side is going to be kind of our in-law suite, I guess you could say. Every room up here is going to have a water view. And this one is very unique because we have the door that we can close to the hallway, and it will put you into your own ensuite with your private bathroom. Nice private bathroom, tile shower all the way up, very nice fixtures, nice tones, very neutral. You know, you can really make it fit to whatever your own style is. So we're gonna keep coming down the hallway. Once we get to the end, there's gonna be a little bit of a T. So if we look over to the right-hand side, we will have our 2 additional bedrooms. Straight ahead is going to be a full bathroom. And then over to the right is our big bonus room. I'm very excited to show you the bonus room, so I'm gonna do that first. I know you thought I was gonna go the other way. This could be a complete oasis for kids, ensuite. If you have extended family staying with you, this can be living room, whatever you want it to be. And something that is so unique about this area is one of these closets, the closets that's right behind the door into this room, has another washer and dryer hookup. So If you wanted to reevaluate some things, if you wanted to have 2 laundry areas, you can have the one major one downstairs, and then you can have the other one upstairs and make it a little bit easier instead of having to carry laundry up and down. But this is huge. This is the size of the garage, basically. No carpet in here. The flooring is absolutely beautiful. You have so much room. I just love it. I'm gonna play backwards a little bit. Here is our hallway bathroom. So if you have kids or anything, then this is going to be most likely the kids' bathroom. There's a tile shower back there too, with a tub. And then 2 more bedrooms. And guys, these are really, really good sizes. So we have the bunk bed in here now. And look at how much floor space is still left. I would have been so lucky as a kid to have a room this large. Again, remember we talked about each room having a water view. Water's back there. Very nice. And last but not least, our final bedroom. I know you thought that I probably forgot to take you out back, and I didn't. Just needed to give it the respect it deserves of making this fully out the outside. I know you saw there that this is going to be a 2-story lanai. Something that's really great is when you are inside that living room, it makes it feel so much more expansive out here. So when we come out back, the owners of the home has already put fencing up, and this is a view fence in the back, so it is meeting Middleton standards. Because we have this pond behind us, they upgraded that fencing to do the wrought iron instead of the traditional white view fencing. Again, this is Lake Eleanor, one of the largest ponds in Middleton. If we look up to the top, you can see a little bit of the school. So school is very close if you do have the kids that you wanted to walk to school. If not, we have plenty of green space back here. There is a gate back here that, you know, if you wanted to go play a little round of kickball, just be very careful not to send anything into the water. And then a notable feature for this lot too, this is a pool lot. So if you want to have a pool or you're exploring the ideas of having a pool, you don't know if you're quite ready to have maintenance of that, you can give it a little bit and then add the pool whenever you are ready. But if not, you can see we have the playground out here. So there's a ton of space. There's a lot of wiggle room for what you can do. Another look at that 2-story lanai. So if this house doesn't excite you, I really don't know what will. The biggest advantages to being in this section of Middleton, first and foremost, is going to be the construction around you is all completed. I cannot tell you how many times I've gotten blocked into my road, my driveway, the neighborhood entrance, because the big work trucks were loading and unloading and taking up the entire road. And this happens for all new construction anywhere. This section of Middleton has their own entrance right off of Alder, which is also going to be your direct path to downtown. So when you need to go get something, get some shopping done, walk the kids to school, easy access. So not to mention, if you do sit in the living room, you're going to be able to watch the rocket launches because they launch right there. You don't even need to wake the kids up and move them, just sit right there. It's so cool. Dry Creek Park is also just up the street, and that's going to have your pool and your mailbox station. But we also have 3 other pools that are now open that you have access to by living here in Middleton. We're getting a rec center. I don't know the status of that yet, but it's coming. And I should mention really quick, for those of you that are not familiar with Middleton, yes, we do have an amazing charter school on site, which is just right over that pond, but you do need to work for the villages or a qualifying business in order to have eligibility for your kids to attend. But this house, going back to it, is a showstopper. We are ready to show you all of the wonderful things that come along with moving into this house and Middleton as a whole. So welcome home. Come see us. Can't wait to show you.